Summer is in full swing, and it's a perfect time to talk about all the amazing real estate opportunities that you can take advantage of in these sunny months. First, summer is fantastic for open houses. The longer days and warm weather make it easier to showcase your home. Plus, the buyers like to see the properties in their best light. You know, it's also the season for community events, farm markets, and festivals. And these are great opportunities for you to network and mingle and just get to know the community. So if you're thinking about moving, these events, they offer a glimpse into the community. Summer also gets you to really appreciate these outdoor features like patios, gardens, pools. Highlight these in your listings and in your videos. A well-maintained garden or a sparkling pool, they can be big selling points in the summer. See, if you're selling, remember that families often move during these summer months so they can be settled before the school year starts at the end of August. So make your home family friendly by emphasizing the nearby parks, schools, and activities. This is your time to create vibrant outdoor living spaces. You could set up some really nice comfy furniture or even some nice sparkling lights. It's a great way to show potential buyers, how they could really enjoy the outside of your house during these beautiful warm nights. Summer is one of the hottest times for real estate, no pun intended. So whether you're buying or selling, there are so many ways to just make the most of this summer season. If you've got questions or if you need some advice, just drop a comment or send me a message because I am here to help. I'm Jay Canone. You can call me or text me at 203-209-2529 or email me at jay@jaycanone.com.